This is Greg from Just Let Me Travel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Just wanted to talk about tires for a minute. We upgraded from the original tires to the Goodyear Endurance tires. We also went from a 14-inch rim to a 15-inch rim. Probably could have fit a 16-inch rim, but I just wasn't certain and didn't feel comfortable going that much larger. Do your research. Find out what tires are good at any particular time. The Goodyear tires at one time weren't good. Now they are good. At one point they sent the work overseas, so the quality wasn't as great. So you really want to have a good feeling that everything's going to be okay as you're going down the road. Not have to worry about blowouts, because that can really interrupt your trip, interrupt your vacation, and it's no fun sitting on the side of the road sweating and changing out a flat tire. And as the streets might tell you, and I'm going to see if I can link up with them about their little experience as they were heading up to Oregon. They had a blowout, and of course it blew all this out here.
Thank God for a spare.
Just got up to about 62 miles an hour here in California. 55.
55 miles an hour.
You let me know pretty quick.
Tires, making sure that you check your tread, make sure it's looking good. Sometimes these tires will wear off on an edge, and that can mean that your springs are out of alignment, so the wheels can actually turn like this. So you might want to check that if this is wearing odd or something like that. Every trip, make sure you check your tire pressure. It's all listed on here what the tire pressure is supposed to be. Just take a good visual look at your tires, make sure they look good. Have a safe trip. Out here. I also have another video where I'm going to show where I've done up underneath here, and how some wheel wells don't have padding up underneath there or protection, so I put some wood up underneath there to help protect that. Hope everybody has a great day. Laura had a question that she wanted to ask, so I told her it'd probably be better for her to ask the question.
Why has one tire got a silver rim, I guess is what those are called, and the other one has a bright white rim?
So her question today is, this is gray and that's white, and why? So my explanation is, one was painted white, one was painted gray. Paint them any color you want, I suppose. No real reason that I know of, but if you know of a reason, again, let us know down below, because maybe there is a reason one's painted white and one's painted gray, and I just don't know the reason for it, beyond the fact that was a can of spray paint they used. Talking about tires today, not moving. However, somebody just decided to show up and photobomb our tire discussion, so I had to pause for just a little bit. So while we're talking about these tires and asking you guys questions, I picked these up over at Discount Tire, and I was curious, put your comments below where you buy your tires from. Also, if you know about this and can explain better how these tires wear off on the edges, maybe make a comment down below where you can share that with other people. And if you need to move, AB Moving, Texas Moving Professionals apparently may be able to help you out.
Our first ad.
So, hope everybody's having a great day today. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with. Who knows? So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.